As a cloud administrator or architect, your responsibility extends beyond deploying virtual machines. You're also expected to ensure those VMs are highly available, resilient, and recoverable. In this lecture, you will explore the tools and strategies Azure provides to help you maintain VM availability and meet business continuity goals. Availability refers to the percentage of time a service remains operational. While 100% availability is the ideal, you have to prepare for the unexpected: hardware failures, maintenance events, or outages. In Azure, VMs are hosted on physical servers, and like all hardware, those servers can occasionally fail. When this happens, Azure will try to migrate the VM to a healthy host, but this self-healing process may take a few minutes, leaving your app temporarily unavailable. To proactively address this, Azure offers a suite of availability and resilience features that let you design for high uptime and low impact. Let's unpack them. Azure regions that support availability zones give you the ability to place your VMs in physically separated zones, each with its own power, cooling, and network. When you deploy replicated VMs across zones, you ensure that a failure in one data center doesn't take down your entire application. If Zone 1 goes down, Zone 2 picks up, your services stay online, and your users stay happy. When demand spikes or drops, you need your infrastructure to scale with it. That's where Azure VM scale sets come in. With VMSS, you can automatically scale the number of VMs up or down based on usage or a scheduled rule. Not only do you gain better performance and cost efficiency, but scale sets also let you deploy VMs across multiple availability zones to add fault tolerance. You only pay for the instances you use. There's no extra cost for the scale set itself. For applications that need to handle incoming traffic smoothly, use the Azure Load Balancer in combination with availability zones or VMSS. It spreads traffic across your VMs, keeping things running even if a VM fails. For standard tier VMs, this comes built in and offers regional resiliency out of the box. Behind every VM is storage, and Azure Storage ensures it's replicated automatically. Depending on your redundancy choice, Azure may replicate your data locally within the same region, geo-redundantly to a secondary region, with read access for failover scenarios. You'll want to choose a redundancy level that balances cost and availability, especially for mission-critical workloads. When your region experiences a serious outage, you don't want your business to grind to a halt. Azure Site Recovery allows you to replicate your workloads from a primary region to a secondary failover site. In the event of a disaster, you can fail over to the secondary site with minimal downtime and fail back when the primary is restored. There are a number of benefits of ASR. It eliminates the need for a secondary on-prem data center. It simplifies recovery drills without impacting production. It works with Azure VMs, Hyper-V, VMware, and physical machines. You can even automate your recovery steps using PowerShell scripts, automation runbooks, or manual intervention. While not a direct availability feature, auto shutdown helps you schedule VM shutdowns to save costs, particularly useful for dev or test VMs that don't need 24/7 uptime. It's configurable in the portal and ensures your resources aren't left running unnecessarily. So, what's your key takeaway? Managing the availability of Azure VMs means thinking beyond the VM itself. You need to architect for failure, plan for scalability, and implement disaster recovery strategies. Azure equips you with powerful tools, from availability zones and VM scale sets to storage redundancy, load balancers, and site recovery. If you integrate these services smartly, you'll be able to maintain the high uptime your users expect and build the trust your business relies on.